Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, we are back again with the new fresh off-campus job opportunities and internships from Velocity and UIDAI. So there is a very good opportunity for all the freshers, those who are pursuing their BE BTech degree from any colleges. This is a very good opportunity and stipend is also provided during your internship. So let's see details about the recruitment. Velocity is hiring for SD intern at Bangalore location. Talking about the company, then Velocity is a financial services for new age businesses in India. So basically, Velocity is a fintech-based startup which was founded by IITs and IIMs alumni. So many freshers candidates want to start their career from a startup company where they can learn new skills and implement. Talking about the qualification, then you should be having excellent coding skills where you should be able to convert the design into code. You should be also having a knowledge in design patterns, data structures and algorithms with a knowledge in APIs for backend and front-end development. So talking about the process, then first you will be appearing for the assignment and after that 2 interviews will be conducted. And according to the performance in the interview, you will be getting an offer. And the internship location will be in Bangalore. So you must apply for this internship as it is a very good opportunity for all the freshers candidates. So the candidates who are pursuing their degree in BE BTech or ME MTech and those who are in final or pre-final year, they can apply for this internship. And if your performance will be good during your internship, then there is also a possibility that you will be getting a pre-placement offer. So you must apply for this internship. Next opportunity is from UIDAI. So there is also an internship opportunity from UIDAI. So all freshers candidates can apply for the internship at Aadhaar, UIDAI. This is the official PDF from UIDAI for the internship opportunity. So talking about the eligibility, then the candidates who are in final or pre-final year and currently pursuing their BE BTech from any discipline or any institution and having minimum 60% or 6 CGPA in all their semester examinations, then they can apply for this internship opportunity. Talking about the duration of the internship, then the duration of the internship shall be for at least 6 weeks and it will be not exceeding 12 months. So if you are a PhD student, then also you can apply for this internship and you can refer the PDFs. So the internship will be in Bangalore or it will be in a remote location under the guidance of project supervisor. So after getting the project, you will be told that either you will be working from home or you will be working from office which is in Bangalore. And there is also a very good opportunity for all the interns that they can convert their internship opportunity to full-time opportunity. Talking about the stipend, then BTech student will be getting 30,000 if they will be working from Bangalore and 15,000 if they will be working from work from home. And for MTech as well, if they will be working from Bangalore, 40,000 and if work from home, then 20,000. So if you go down the page, then you can see how to apply. So you can just refer the PDF to how to apply, the selection process and the number of interns that they are hiring for. And if you scroll down the PDF, then you will be also seeing various performa of application for internship in UIDAI, performa for the internship completion certificate, and there are various performa which you can refer. So this is a very good opportunity for all the freshers candidates, those who are pursuing their final or pre-final year from any institutions or from any disciplines. So your focus should be first you grab the internship offer and then you perform well during your internship period. And if you perform excellent during your internship, then you will be also getting PPO, which is pre-placement offer. And after the completion of your BE BTech, you can directly join that company with a hefty package. So these were the 2 internship opportunity for all the freshers candidate. So you must apply for both the internship opportunity. And if you face any difficulties during your application process, then you must comment down below and consider subscribing our channel to receive more updates and also share with all your friends. Thank you.